Yo, I'm gassed. Okay, real quick, before we get this video started, I just want to say one thing. As you may have already noticed, my hair is a little bit longer in this video, and the reason for that is because I actually cut my hair after this video. This video was actually recorded before I went to London, however, I never actually had time to post the video. The reason for that is because other videos came up that were more important, and to be honest, my last low-key brand unboxing did not do as good as some of the other videos that I was planning on posting, which is why I delayed this video. Now, before I get into it, I'm not actually going to shout out my Instagram. Just kidding, yes I am, TheStarRlife, the Star Life on Instagram. Make sure you go follow me, best Instagram in the game. But anyways, in all seriousness, if you guys like these low-key brand unboxings, the best way to show me that you like it and the best way to get these more often is by smashing that like button. Because honestly, I could have posted a low-key brand unboxing like 2 or 3 months ago. And even like with the last Palace video, I don't even know if I'm going to do another Palace review just because I feel like that one didn't really get that much love and the amount of likes wasn't really where I expected it to be, so I might not ever post another Palace review again. I may do one more, and then if the next one does better, then maybe I'll post some in the future. At the end of the day, I love streetwear, I love buying clothes, obviously. I love a lot of this stuff, but there's no real point for me to film it unless it gets good engagement or whether you guys want to see it. If people don't want to see it, there's really no reason in posting it in the first place. And I know a lot of people ask me for this type of video, so like I said, if you guys like these low-key brand unboxings and you guys like when I do more than just Supreme, then of course let me know by smashing that like button. If this video gets enough love, I will gladly do another one very soon. To be honest, I already have like 10 other packages and I could easily make a low-key brand unboxing in a week or two. So let me know by hitting that like button down below. And yeah, let's get back to the video. Alright. I think that is mostly everything. Yep, I was missing 2 more things, and on top of that, I think I'm going to include this box right here, which is a box from Slam Jam Socialism. I purchased a couple things, and yeah, I mean, it's kind of some low-key brand shit. I don't think there's anything that's like super hyped in there. Oh shit, the tape on this is nice. Anyways, this package is from Femme LA or Los Angeles. First of all, HFLA is a super sick brand. Like honestly, the dude kills it. They have some really sick shit, and yeah, I mean, I've been wanting to check out some of their shit for quite some time. So, are these 2 of the same tees? These are both mediums, and I normally wear a size large, so hopefully they still fit, I believe. Oh no, it's a little bit different of a tee. Oh, that shit is sick. One thing I really like about their tags, and I don't know if they have it on this one, but some of their older stuff had made on Earth instead of like made in America or made in USA or made in China or whatever. And so I just thought that was kind of a dope little touch. But yeah, definitely a sick tee. On this t-shirt, it looks like it's got my man John Lennon right there. It says made on Earth once again. It has Femme. This is like a puff, not embroidery, puff print, so it's like a lot thicker, definitely higher quality. Those kinds of puff prints are definitely nice, really thick. You can tell they're not really gonna crack like normal prints do. Anyways, next up we got some tracksuits, and that is what I need in my life. These tracksuits look so freaking sick. For the track jackets, you have these right here. As you can see, you have this taping going across and the taping going down the sleeve as well. It says Femme. Definitely a nice little touch. Fun fact, the tracksuits that Chris Breezy was wearing in the Little Dicky Freaky Friday video was actually a Femme tracksuit. I think that was the one previous to this though. These are really sick. As you can see, you got some cargos right here, little cargo pocket, and then of course you have these zippers. These zippers have like this like ring to it. Definitely a sick little touch. I'm normally not a fan of zippers on the cuffs, however with these, because they're like more of a track pant, it's pretty normal. You get that on most like Adidas track pants, for example. Definitely a sick pair of cargos, especially with that Femme taping right there. I got that same suit in blue as well. Of course, I'm gonna leave links to all these brands, so you can check the links below if you want to check out Femme. That'll be the top link in the description. Okay, so next up we have, let's see, let's open to this one. Which one's this one? Yeah, this is from my brother over at Peep Game. Huge shout out to Peep Game. Honestly, they've been killing it lately. Like, I got a lot of love for Peep Game. They got a lot of love in the BMX community, but just in general, they've been killing it recently. We got these right here. I think he just sent these to me random. Oh, these are the Flame sweats. So these are a little bit thinner. You got this little flame graphic right here. You got the little eye on the back pocket. I don't know if I'm gonna wear lime green sweats, just cause I don't really see myself wearing lime green sweats. Oh shit, we got some little Peep Game stickers. They recently just dropped these like striped ARC logo tees. Super sick. I saw what's her name? Little Debbie Cakes 420 or something. rocking those. Yeah, super dope. Right here, once again, you have the Peep Game little on fire graphic right there. And then you have a play on the World Industries logo. Super sick. Once again, you can see the little World Industries devil right there, but instead you got the little Peep Game eye, and then it has the Peep Game font instead of World Industries. Definitely fucking dope, because like back in the day when I was in like 8th grade, 9th grade, when I used to BMX, I used to fuck with World Industries. Even though it's a skate brand, a lot of that stuff overlaps into like the BMX world, I guess. I don't know. I used to just fuck with it because I like the graphics. So super sick to see that on a hoodie. When I saw that flip, I was like, yo, I need that logo flip, bro. Please send me one. So shout out to Peep Game. That'll be the second link in the description. Next up, we got Hypeland. Oh, there it is. Hypeland is another sick brand. Definitely have some sick stuff. This is actually ran by Jordan Bentley, for those of you that may not know. Really good dude, genuine guy. He sent this over a while ago. I asked him to send me some stuff because I was fucking with it. And I know him personally, obviously. And I don't really know if I asked for anything in particular. He just sent me a care package. Oh, these bags are fucking sexy. This is gangsta. Okay. So he actually embroidered these on Champion, which means it's qualitas. Champion logo tee, Hypeland, all embroidered. You got this little gradient, little rainbow font. Definitely something to wear at Cap Hill in Seattle. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the LGBTQ community. Then we have that same exact t-shirt except in all black. Right here, all black Champion tee. Once again, Hypeland embroidered. I'm gonna wear this whenever I go to Canada. You got the big maple leaf on the back right there. Then you got the American flag in Canada, Hypeland Canada right there. Definitely some custom patchwork. And then of course you have the Hypeland little 3H logo embroidery right there. They do a lot of cool stuff like that. Hypeland kills it, honestly. They definitely do a good job. They do a lot of custom pieces. These bags go crazy though. Look at these bags, bro. Oh my god. It says Menace. You got that little Hypeland 3H graphic right there. Definitely a lot more space in this one. It's bigger than a Supreme bag. It kind of has this right here too, so it's kind of like a cross between like a fanny pack and a toiletry bag. And of course I got that same exact bag in black. Oh shit, it's not the same bag. It's a shoulder bag. Okay, I see you. Hey, look at this custom zipper, man. That's the attention to detail that I'm talking about. Okay, I almost didn't even notice the strap. Inside, you have a separate strap that has like this red taping around it, and then it has Hypeland all like woven into the strap. You have 3 H's branded all inside there. I'm telling you, man, all the attention to detail. My boy Jordan is killing it. So thank you, brother, for sending me these. I appreciate you. Oh, also, real quick, before I show off this brand, here's another Hypeland tee. Jordan just went to SneakerCon and gave out like 1,000 of these. But yeah, they were doing one graphic. I just wanted them to put every single graphic on there, and I thought it turned out kind of sick. So anyways, this brand right here, there's actually another hoodie that I want. It's a 719 hoodie. It's got like Old English 719. It's just fucking sick. But this is just a dope brand in general. It says Bad Friend, support local business. You have these beanies. Says Bad Friend right there and Bad Friend right there. These are loose gauge beanies. They're definitely nice quality beanies, so if you like this font, then go check them out. But yeah, just in general, check out some of the stuff they have. They have a lot more than this. This is just kind of a clean, essential piece. The 719 hoodie goes hard. I definitely need to get my hands on that. Speaking of hoodies with Old English, you already know. I bought this hoodie. This is the rocker hoodie, and as you can see, it's got the fat Born and Raised right there with the Born and Raised embroidery around the hood. They're actually doing a collaboration with 424 soon, so stay tuned for that. But I got a lot of love for Born and Raised. As you guys know, Born and Raised is one of my favorite brands. I actually have a sample hoodie that has this same exact like embroidery placement, the rocker right there with the Born and Raised graphic or like branding across the hood in a lavender with like black. And they've never did a lavender with black embroidery, so that's like a one of one. Pretty stoked, but of course I had to get the essential white stitching on the black. Okay, so next up we got this right here. This is Jonushi. And random little fact, but this individual is actually from Washington State, from the Pacific Northwest. And I was just kind of shocked by that. Now this hoodie is super sick. I've seen this a couple times. I saw this first on my homie's Instagram. Actually, she kills it. Her style's crazy dope. I'll leave her somewhere on the screen. But anyways, yeah, this just says Ushi all around it. And I just fucked with it. I thought it was kind of a cool graphic. Obviously, I like Old English or these kinds of fonts in general. I will say it's not like a true black because of the way that they printed it or like dyed it. It's almost like a brown. I wish it was more of a true black, but whatever. It kind of has more of like a grungy look anyways, which is how I will rock it. So I don't really care too much, and I already know what I'm gonna wear this with. I'm like curious who's behind that, because obviously it's like a local brand, but I just never knew it was a local brand. So next up we have this package right here. This is a package from Revenge. Now, I've been following Revenge for quite some time. There's been a couple things that I've pulled the trigger on, but I just never really wore. Is this even what I ordered? What the fuck? I'm mad confused. So I don't even think this is what I ordered, to be honest. This is a different t-shirt entirely. Yeah, this actually isn't even what I ordered. I mean, I fuck with it, to be honest. It's cool. But it's definitely not what I ordered. I ordered, I'll try to find a picture of it, and I'll put that somewhere on the screen. That's what I ordered, and I got this instead. And I'm not really tripping. I mean, this is still sick. I fuck with Revenge. I think Revenge is a dope brand. I'm not going to return it. Honestly, this package is mad old anyways, because if you follow the drops, that was hella long ago. I just haven't had time to unbox most of these. But whatever. Either way, super sick piece. I'm not really complaining that I didn't get the other piece. It would have been kind of cool because that font is obviously a lot more popular. Revenge has done that font a lot more. And I feel like that goes a little bit better on hoodies. But regardless, it's still hard. So whatever. I'm pretty stoked that they sent it to me. Okay, what's next? Did I open this yet? No, I didn't open it yet. But what's in here? Oh! Raised by Champions. So, look. I definitely fuck with this brand. I can't wait to see some more stuff from this brand. Honestly, there's a lot of stuff that I've liked from the brand that I haven't purchased just because the price tag is usually a little bit more expensive. Granted, everything's stitched in. Something like this, I wouldn't say these shorts are necessarily like completely worth it. I mean, they don't have pockets, which is kind of a bummer. They were like 65, 75 bucks, but it's like, I don't know, man. In my opinion, I really fuck with Raised by Champions because it's a brand that, like, the stuff you get from them, you will not get anywhere else. Like, you won't find anyone else in your city that's got shorts like these. You just won't. Like, these are just crazy. And I think these will go real sick with some freaking off-whites. For example, like the off-white blazers that I got would go crazy with this. It says Hood Max right here. You have all these little anime characters with the Nike swoosh. And then it says, this item is an official counterfeit good. Please, any problems, call our lawyers. More than likely you won't get through because we don't give a shit, but please have a nice day. Raised by Champions. So yeah, definitely a sick brand regardless. This is their logo. I have taken pictures in some of their stuff way back in the day, like 2-3 years ago. If you're watching this, bro, you're killing it. I like your design. So anyways, on to the next. Last but not least, before we get into some of the goods that I recently purchased, let's open up this. So these are from two different individuals. This right here is from my boy Corrupt. I'm gonna leave his Instagram somewhere on the screen. Definitely the homie. This is like a cut and sew flannel that he did. Just kind of a cool little like grunge piece. And then this piece was crazy. I'm actually gonna give these to Paul, but these are like these mesh like sweatpants that have these random little like, I don't know, freaking NASCAR graphics all over them. A subscriber at SneakerCon actually gave these to me, and he was a subscriber of myself and Paul. We talked about Paul, and I personally felt like he was probably more of a fan of Paul. So since Paul wasn't there, I was just like, yo, I know Paul would fuck with these. I definitely want to give these to Paul. So yeah, these are probably gonna go to Paul Can too, but regardless, they are super fucking sick. Honestly, I might even get a picture of it before I send them his way. But last but not least, let's crack in to this package. By the way, there was one package from a brand, Murder Squad Clo, that I couldn't find. I moved and I've just lost a lot of stuff. I could not find them, but shout out to Murder Squad. That's actually the homie Jay's brand, and he's killing it too. So I'm gonna leave their Instagram somewhere on the screen. Anyways, let's crack into this little package right here. Why do I have... Oh, I forgot that I ordered these. These are so gangster. So look, these are the Born and Raised Converse. At the time, I did not buy these because there were so many different items that I was acquiring, and I just felt like people would sleep on them, but I thought they were hard as fuck. So I saw them go on sale on Slam Jam Socialism, and of course, you know your boy copped them. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I wanted the black pair, but the black pair, they did not have my size, so I just copped the tan pair. As you can see, bam, these are crazy. Look at the pony hair on it. That's nuts. And that toe box goes crazy. Born and Raised branding on the back. I wish they would have done a 1-star. I feel like they would have killed a 1-star way harder, but regardless, definitely a super unique shoe that I'm glad to have in my collection. You have this like pimp ass freaking dust bag that says Born and Raised Converse, and just being a Born and Raised fan, of course, you know I need that in my collection. Now, one thing about that dust bag is it kind of matches this t-shirt that I got, which is this Brain Dead tee, and this Brain Dead hoodie. My room is such a fucking mess. I just did a huge FTP unboxing, and now I'm doing this. But anyways, let's try these on. I'm super curious how this is gonna fit. Yeah, so this fits kind of baggy, but I think it's kind of dope. Like, it's just unique, you know? I don't know if you guys can see, but the sleeves definitely fit like half sleeves. It's a knitted t-shirt. Like, it's not like a normal t-shirt. This is all knitted. It says Brain Dead right there. I really fuck with Brain Dead. And honestly, I'm trying to get more pieces that allow me to experiment with my style a little bit. I just feel like this would do something like that. It's definitely not something I would normally wear, but I definitely vibe with it. And of course, I've wanted this hoodie for quite some time. So when that Slam Jam Socialism sale happened, you know I had to get this. However, the one issue with this hoodie is that it's a size medium. Okay, so far we're... Yo, this actually fits really good. Yo, I'm gassed. I'm so stoked. What a good way to end, bro. Brain Dead right there, as you can see. I've wanted this hoodie for quite some time, but every time I find it, I like don't want to pay the full price because I'm a cheap ass. So when I saw this sale, I was like, yo, I definitely need to get it. Then they didn't have a large, so I was forced to acquire a medium, and honestly, the medium fits just like a large. Yeah, man, this thing is fire. I'm super gassed. I got a lot of heat in this low-key brand unboxing. Of course, if you like these low-key brand unboxings, make sure you smash that like button, and I will do more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Instagram's at the Starlife. It's THESTARRLIFE. There'll be some on the screen and in the description below. I sincerely appreciate all your guys' support from the top and bottom of my heart, and as always, keep living the Star Life.